The stock market kicked me in the teeth today. And we all know everyone loves watching others lose money to make themselves feel better about their own trades. So get a snack, enjoy the live trade. Feel free to call me a terrible trader in the comment section.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Don't let emotions control the trades. Have objectively defined rules. You know where you're supposed to get in and get out. And then that's all you have to do. Right here, I know where I'm supposed to get in. I'm supposed to get in at 386.87. I think that's where my order is. Yeah, so that's where my order is. I'm ready. I'm ready to get filled. Oh, close. Close. No cigar yet. Very close, though. Got to get 10 cents above the green line or we don't short, so. This isn't me like looking for extra money or anything. It's got to get 10 cents above that line, and now it does. There we go. So we know exactly where we're supposed to get in, and now we're in. Obviously, SPY was below the 15 EMA and 10 cents above the highest point of the last 8 bars on that candle. That's objectively defined rule of the strategy where we short. Now we cover when it breaks the red line or when the RSI goes over 70. We really hope the RSI doesn't go over 70. That wouldn't be fun, but we look to cover when it breaks down to the bottom of this range. SPY has been very weak today. Gapped down on non-farm payroll numbers. Non-farm payroll came in much higher than expected. SPY didn't like that. Caught a downward move during pre-markets. Came up, just about closed the gap, and then hard rolled it back over. And now we're getting a spike we can short. Very unfortunately, we were 1 bar away from getting short here. If this would have happened on this bar, we would have been able to get short here. But it didn't meet the strategy here. Now it does. Now we short. It's a little bit less good on the eye test than the first spike is. The first spike after a gap down looks better on the eye test for something you expect to roll. Now, like, SPY has been under the 40 RSI for the last 22, 23 minutes. So it's like, maybe it deserves some kind of bigger reprieve bounce, but doesn't look as good on the eye test. But hey, I trade the strat, right? We're getting pushed into. We're down $20. Man, SPY is like so lacking volatility. Do you guys remember, like, even just like a month ago, if we saw a bar that looked like that, it would have been like a point and a half move on SPY. Now a bar that looks like this is just like a, it's like a 40, 30 cent move. Like, it's so not as volatile as it was even just a couple months ago. Tesla's mooning. Might be helping SPY bounce here. We can look at Tesla quickly. Yes, Tesla is very strong. Nice, up 1.6% and pushing highs. Hopefully that's not a sign of big tech about to rally and SPY about to rally with it. It's kind of nice. Well, I mean, to be fair, Tesla has been pushing highs for the last like 7-8 minutes there, and SPY is not really reacting much to it, so. Red candle so far, this one. Nope, just kidding. Still getting bought. Buying pressure still there right now. You can tell by the way it's ticking. Buying pressure's in it right now. I posted the pic for all you non-believers. Who didn't believe that you bought, what, $1,500 worth of a stock? Sorry, not trying to be mean, but $1,300 value, yeah. I don't think many people didn't believe you. Damn, Tesla's rocking. Still pushing. Yeah. 746 Tesla. 746. Why is my PL? Oh, because that's PL day. Wait. Oh. Now it's updating. I didn't have the that PL is going off my other Thinkorswim window, so I guess since I didn't have it open, it wasn't updating. Oh, do I really have to keep it open for it to update? Oh, that's gonna be annoying. trying to watch Formula One practice on my other screen. Oh, there it goes. It works like that. Okay. It works like that. I can still watch the Formula One. Here we go. SPY still strong. Buying pressure still there. But we don't cover. We don't panic cover moves until we have to. We do. Once again, we do have an oh shit. We do have an oh shit stop loss if the RSI gets over 70. But other than that, we'll hold this until it gets below the red line. The red line's starting to tick up now as well. Once again, the lowest point of the last 8 bars, obviously, will track this move up over time. So you kind of always get the move in your direction. Even I mean, you can still lose money, but you kind of always get the move in your direction at the end with this exit strategy. I think that's why it works so well. The exit strategy is really what makes this system. The exit strategy is probably more impressive than the entrance strategy on this system, if that makes any sense at all. I've added this exit strategy to other just like random things I was testing, and it pretty much makes them all profitable. Not as profitable as this one, obviously, or else I'd be trading those, but the exit strategy kind of is good. It's good on anything, really. You should be cheerleading my trades. Don't you want to get to Monaco? Wait, what? If you make money, are you taking me to Monaco? I'm here for it. What happened? What happened to the green screen? Did it take up too much room? No, it's right there. I just, oh. Oh, my green screen filter is still on. Wow, that's been on all day. Let me turn that off. Not that it changed anything, but there's my green screen. I just like this setup. Just doing some new setups with the stream. I like this setup. You can see chat now. Everyone watching the YouTube video can see who I'm talking to in chat. You guys can see the chat. I have so much more room for activities behind me now. Just trying new things. We going to Monaco? Okay. When Noob makes $10,000 in a trade, he's taking me to Monaco. Apparently, let's go. I'm here for it. I'll go. Well, I'm about to have a newborn. Give it a little bit, then I'll go. SPY high of move. We're down 28 bucks. Oh, volatility. I mean, I guess I'm happy only being down 28 bucks, but it's like a move like this after I shorted here, like. It would used to be so much worse. Now it's like 28 bucks. Like, oh. Oh, SPY volatility. Where have you gone? You got this, big win, my man. How high do you want to go on this bounce, SPY? How little do you want to come down ever? SPY is so streaky, man. SPY is very streaky. It's like it can, when it's going down, it's going down. When it's going up, it's going up. Like it's like I mean, just like it's like up, 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 up. Okay, like any candle under candle, like anything, like. More like 50. Monaco's the most expensive place on earth. Is it? I know it's up there. Most expensive place on earth. Most expensive place on earth. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the most expensive city for expats, apparently. Interesting. Wouldn't have been towards the top of my guesses. That would not have been towards the top of my list of guesses. Here we go. Getting a candle under candle. Maybe start us some down move here. Now we're only down $8. Oh no. Oh, the volatility in these trades. So boring. I mean, it did make a big move here, but of course, you know, we can't get something like that, of course. But I mean, it was volatile for the first little bit this morning. Now it's just like, hey, you want to just grind up slow as shit? Sure. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Is it a bad idea to YOLO ADTX? It's a bad idea to YOLO anything. So without even looking at the chart, just reading your message, the answer is yes. It's a bad idea. The answer is yes. Don't ever just YOLO stuff. Plan your trade your plan. Have a plan, I guess, is the first thing. Create a plan, trade a plan. There. I used to say plan your trade your plan, but that doesn't really make sense because if you just, even if you're just planning something that you haven't proven is profitable over time, that's not a plan, that's just shit you made up. Create a plan, create a profitable plan, trade the profitable plan, right? Was bouncing around 386.20 and now 387.30. Oh, the bounce areas? Yeah, a little consolidation here at lows. I mean, we talked about it. The RSI had been under 40 for a long time. I don't know if that's something I can have the system look at. Like, hey, don't short if the last 7 bars have been under 40 RSI because SPY probably needs a bigger bounce out of that. Maybe that's something I can configure into the system, but for now, I don't care about it, so I'm taking the trade. You can learn from losses, of course. Of course, you can learn from losses and go update systems because of after losses, but don't change your trade plan while you're in a trade or while markets are open even. Then you're making emotional decisions, right? Another thing with like how slow this is going, like what's it really going to take for this RSI to get over 70? Because like RSI is a momentum indicator, not just a stock is going up indicator necessarily. It's like if it goes up really slowly, like the RSI can theoretically stay below 70 while this grinds up. Learn trading psychology and make a strat around that. Yeah. Trading in the zone immediately made me a better trader. Reading that book immediately made me a better trader. Could not recommend it more. If you join the Discord, I have a PDF of it in the education channel of the book. Well, I don't have it. It's somebody else's PDF. I should say that because I don't think having a PDF online is like allowed. So it's not mine. I just found the link. Yeah, SPY just wants to be strong here. No big deal. Short where you're supposed to short. Understand the risk. Get out where you're supposed to get out. Notice how like I'm not all panicky and freaky when stocks don't go my way. Like trade doesn't go my way. I get into a trade, understand the risk of the trade. Just because the SPY broke above a range doesn't mean it has to come down. Of course not. This can work, but once again, it comes down and works enough that I make money over time. Why I'm now like having these objectively defined rules makes you a lot more comfortable in your losses, right? Because you know you're going to lose. You know the rate at which you're about going to lose. This about has a 65% win rate. I have about a 35% lose rate. I know I'm going to lose. I actually know that with this system, the losses are bigger than the winners. That's a part of this system. People like will hear that and go, oh my God, then it sucks, then it's bad. It's like, no. It's R&R times win percentage, right? The win percentage is high enough that this still works. Wow. SPY's trying high of day. Well, no, it's not. It's trying high of day. It's getting close to high of day. We're down 70. You're saying I should read it while camping? Get the audio book. It's on. Someone told me it's on Audible. I don't have Audible, nor have I ever used Audible. Someone told me the book is on Audible though. Get your free Audible trial and listen to it while you drive. Oh, you can't do audio. Oh, you could do audio, you said, yeah. Double top here, Spy? Question mark? Nope. Just ticking straight up, huh? What a weird little move. When you get weird moves in Spy, you lose money. And I'm okay with that. That's when I want to be losing money, is when you get moves like this. Straight down, straight up. That's a weird move. I'm fine losing money in weird moves. I want to be making money on normal moves. If there's weird, stocks are random. There's definitely still always going to be a degree of randomness, right? But when you get moves like this, that's when you want to be losing money, not when you get normal grinding moves. You don't want to be losing money then. Something's wrong then. I don't have a solution, but think you need to backtest a new stop. No. I mean, I'm always trying new things. I am. I'm trying new, like, I spend probably at least an hour every night looking at my strategy and tweaking it and trying to find things. I do test new stop losses and stuff. Yeah, I do that, but once again, every time I lose money, someone's got a suggestion, I know. Every single time I lose money in a trade, someone, hey, your strategy's bad, man. You should get a new strategy. Like, oh, that RSI closed over 70. Yep, that RSI closed over 70. We are out of the trade here at 389.14. Lost $113 in that trade. Obviously not fun, but part of the accepted risk of trading. Got in, short of the spike where we're supposed to. Spy just decided it was going to rally. Decided this thing was going to rip. If it does that, it does that. Hey, what did I just say? If Spy makes weird moves, I'm good losing money in the weird moves. I'm good with that. I want to be making money in the normal moves. This gap down, straight up, that's pretty abnormal. If I'm losing money in abnormality, that's good.